Okay, for ELA today, we are working on figurative language in the play that we read last week. So our learning target is explore figurative language in The Legend of Sleepy Hollow and explain what those mean. So you're going to click on the Class Kick assignment. So when you open it, log in with your name. And then this is the first page that shows up. So it says, figurative language. There's imagery, simile, idiom, or hyperbole. So imagery, it creates an image, thank you Emma for following along, in the reader's mind by describing, thank you both for following along, things using the 5 senses. So something you can look, smell, feel, taste, or sound. So something you can hear. Simile. Simile is another part of figurative language. It compares two different things using the words like or as. So if a sentence has either of these words, then it is a simile. Okay, Sophie, mask up. Mohamed, mask up, please. Thank you. Okay, idiom has an acquired meaning different than the literal meaning of the words. Hyperbole, an exaggerated statement. Okay, so read each highlighted example of figurative language, answer the question next to it. So now let's scroll down and find the first highlighted spot. Scene 1. You found it? Okay, so scene 1, SD2. Wild ducks squawk in the silver sky. A crisp wind rustles the fallen leaves. So number 1, this is an example of imagery. It helps you get a picture in your head of what the scene looks like. Describing something using the 5 senses: look, smell, feel, taste, or sound. So which 3 of the 5 senses did the author use in this description here? So there's 3 senses they used. What did they use?
Crisp.
Oh, what did they just, like, how was that an imagery for us?
I don't know.
Wild ducks squawk.
That's talking.
Do you see people squawk?
No.
Do you hear ducks squawk?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be sound. So sound is the first one. Sound, comma. Okay, type it in. Sophie, Mahana, type it in.
People can squawk.
In the silver sky.
See.
Do we hear a silver sky?
No, we can see it.
So we can picture a silver sky, right? So that would be look.
Yeah, but we can also picture wild ducks.
But we're not picturing ducks squawking. We're hearing ducks squawking.
Well, I can picture ducks squawking.
Okay?
Yeah.
A crisp wind rustles the fallen leaves.
You can hear.
Here, I would say, yeah, here. I was going to say feel, because when you feel like fallen leaves rustle. But sound again. Okay, so sound, look, and sound again. That's what should be going into the text box. Okay, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Mohamed, mask up,
I
please.
can't find it. I know where it is.
Okay, next one. Ledger. Okay, right here, SD1, ready?
Yes.
A lanky fellow enters. absent-mindedly whistling. His long nose is buried in a book. Okay, so 2. Buried in a book is an idiom. It has acquired a meaning different than the regular dictionary definition. What does the author mean by his nose being buried in a book?
I can make an inference. He's like really liking the book.
Sophie, I
Looking
your
through
face.
pages and pages.
So he's very focused on his book. He's not paying attention to anything else.
Big brain.
Okay, so let's type it in right here. Let's see. Yeah. He is very focused. Mohammed, your mask needs to be up. He is very focused on his book and not paying attention to anything else. Okay, that's for number 2. Typing quickly. Mohammed, you cannot be eating the supper right now because we are inside and your mask needs to be up. Put it in the wrapper and save it for later. You just need to put it in here. Just break off the stick. Quickly. Okay, next one. Ready? Sophie, put the whiteboard away. And close your marker so it doesn't get dry. Okay, number 3, Knickerbocker. Ichabod was very tall, with long arms and hands that dangled a mile out of his sleeves. So number 3. This is an example of a hyperbole, an exaggerated statement. What is the author exaggerating about? I want you to think about it, and I want you to share with the partner somebody near you. So it's Noah Ledger, Ariana Emma, Bo Muna, Alejandro, Thomas, and Sophie and Mohammed. Okay, ready? What is the author exaggerating about here? The long arms and hands that dangled a mile out of his sleeves. Ready? Go. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, turn around. 7, 6. What does the author mean? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back over here. Ready? Okay, go Emma. Yeah. Okay, so what did you talk? What did you conversate about with your partner? Raise your hands. Sophie. Okay, so Ichabod has Ichabod with a capital I. Ichabod has very long arms.
And lanky arms. Long and lanky arms.
Okay, type it in. You need to have all these 3 typed in because I'm scrolling down, which means I'm going to erase. Ready?
No.
Quickly, Sophie. Let's go. Thank you, Ledger. Noah, you got it? Luna, you got it? Okay, start typing. Ichabod has very long arms. Mohammed, you got number 3? Put it down, please.
Can I go over and
No.
punch with them?
Okay, ready? I'm scrolling down. Ichabod has very long arms. All right, go to page 2. Okay. So again, we're focusing on imagery, simile, idiom, or hyperbole. So find the highlighted part. Oh, there's only one on this page. Nice.
No, two. Yeah.
Two. Sorry, there is two on the same line. Okay. Ichabod, all the way at the bottom. Ready? My wages are hardly enough for a loaf of bread.
He's poor.
So number 4. This is an exaggerated statement. A hyperbole. A what? Everybody?
Hyperbole.
Thank you, 3 of you.
Hi, people.
What does Ichabod mean in this sentence? Sophie?
He's poor. He's broke. Yeah.
He is broke, okay.
He's not broke.
He is poor
I'm gonna say he broke.
or broke. Ledger, please stop.
Okay, typing it in. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, Emma. 5, 4. Yes, Thomas. 3. Can you what? Can you go close the door? Can you go home?
Hall.
Oh, go to the hall. What ledger?
I accidentally wrote here's poop or broke.
You don't need to share that with us. You just need to fix it and help us, please.
Okay, start reading the next one.
Look at poop right here.
Okay. Next one, number 5. But I am quite rich in the mind. So this is an idiom. This is an acquired meaning. What does it mean, Bo?
Very intelligent.
He is very
He has a great imagination.
intelligent.
No. Great imagination. He's so broke.
Quickly. He is very intelligent. 10, 9, Mohammed, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so number 4 was he is poor. Number 5 is he is very smart. Okay, page 3. Okay, and then scroll down. Okay. Okay, so right here, Ichabod. You okay? Pull your mask up when you're coughing, girl. Thank you. Well, Brom Bones will be there. He said if he caught me near Katrina, he'd flatten me like a pancake. What word is it using?
Pancake.
Like. This is a simile, comparing a flattened Ichabod to a pancake using the word like. Thomas, can you go with Miss Martinez, please? Thank you. So what is Ichabod implying would happen if he went near Katrina?
He flattened his pancake so that it could be small. I would break.
Noah, raise your hand. Noah.
He flattened his pancake.
No, he doesn't have a pancake.
Brom Bones hates
Sophie.
Ichabod.
What is he implying?
You break his ankles, like his bones.
He's threatening him, right?
You break his
So
ankles.
he
He's threatening to kill his pancake.
he will. You can say he will beat up. He is
Damage.
threatening.
He will damage him.
He will hurt
Where's that?
him. Period. Okay? Behind it. And you mask up, please. Okay. Oops.
That could have been so dangerous. I'm happy you're out.
Thank you. Okay, ready? Scroll down. All right. Down all the way at the bottom. Ready? Ariana. SD3. He and Ichabod locked eyes. Did they really lock eyes?
They were They're so beautiful.
So lock eyes is an idiom with an acquired meaning. What does it mean? Raise your hand. Noah?
They stare both eyes at each other.
Okay, so they
Oh, I got
stared
stare on.
at each other.
Staring contest. Yeah.
They stared at each other.
They were
Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. They stared at each other. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go to page 4. So we're looking at imagery, simile, idiom, or hyperbole. Scroll down, page 4. Okay, so Brahm. Honored guest. He's got dinner plates where his ears should be and shovels for feet. Does he really have dinner plates on his ears? No. Okay, so Brahm is exaggerating. What does he really mean?
He got big ears.
Ledger?
He's got big ears and he's ugly. He got big listening.
Okay, so that he is ugly. That's not very nice. And has that he is ugly. No, that he has big ears and big feet.
No, he is ugly.
Okay, so that he has big ears and feet.
You know we're talking about Noah because Noah's saying as
Sophie. Thank you. Okay, that he has big ears and feet. Quickly.
You're
10,
serious?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Start reading the next one. Alejandro, you got it? 2, okay. 1. Okay, right down here. SD1. As Ichabod dances, his long limbs fly around the room like an octopus in a tornado. This is a simile. It compares two different things using the word like. What is the author comparing to an octopus? What is the author comparing to an octopus in a tornado? What is he doing?
His arms are going everywhere.
Okay, so his arms are going everywhere, and what else is he doing? And that's like a tornado.
He's not good at dancing.
His arms are, oh my goodness, I forgot how to spell. His arms are going everywhere, and he looks like he's spinning.
He a helicopter.
Octopuses have been in tornadoes in the past.
period. Okay? His arms are going everywhere, and he looks like he is spinning.
I wrote his arms are going everywhere. He's a bad dancer.
Okay, once you have that, scroll down and see if there's any more. If not, then go to page 5.
There are not. There's only one on page 5. That's what I said.
Okay? Go to page 5. Start scrolling down. Okay. Brar. How we galloped over bush and bramble, hill and swamp. So this is imagery. Which of the 5 senses is the author using here? Is it look, smell, feel, taste, or sound? How we galloped over bush and bramble, hill and swamp.
Saw. They saw.
Look. So you can picture this in your head. Good. Okay, so you can just put look.
Look, I saw a pony.
Then go to page
6.
6. Ready? 5,
What?
4.
Didn't we do that? We had that right there.
No.
Oh yeah, that was from the last one. Sorry. This one.
Oh, that's.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay, page 6.
What does it really happening in tornadoes? I looked it up.
Okay, Bo. All right, ready? SD3. Turn it on. Thank you. On his way home that night, Ichabod, pale as a tombstone. This is an example of a simile. Good, because it uses the word as. 2 different things are being compared with the word
That
as.
sounds kind of weird.
What is Ichabod's pale face being compared to?
Stone.
Sophie?
Really, really bright stone.
Okay. I'm just going to put stone because it's a pretty small text box.
Stone.
So stone or rock, which is kind of like whitish grayish, right? No.
Tony Hawk. I
Okay. Go to page 7. Mohammed, you got this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
There one.
Okay, page 7. Scroll down. SD3. The figure does not respond. Ichabod rains a shower of kicks upon Gunpowder. This is not meant to be interpreted literally. Kicks are not falling from the sky as a rain on the horse. So what does the author mean? Sophie, what do you?
That means he's riding them really, really fast. No. And he keeps kicking the horse.
He's kicking the horse and riding really fast. What do you think? You want to put it down?
No.
Then what do you think,
He's getting
Brianna?
kicked a lot. I think that
Because remember, Gunpowder is the horse. It's his horse.
yeah.
So Ichabod rains a shower of kicks upon Gunpowder.
He's
Go
kicking.
faster.
He's abusing his horse.
Go faster.
Okay, so Sophie, let's write down what you said. What did you say, Sophie?
He's abusing his
So
horse.
he kicked his horse many times. Period. He kicked his horse many times. Make sure your masks are all the way up above your nose.
My friends play this.
Okay, next one down here. Okay, next Next one, Ichabod. Fly, gunpowder, fly. So this is his horse, right?
Go
So
faster.
fly, my horse, fly.
Go faster.
13. Ichabod does not mean for the horse to sprout wings and fly away. What does he mean by fly?
Run faster.
Go faster.
Run super fast, right? Okay, so run
Run
super
like your life depends on it.
fast. Because his life does depend on it. Run super fast.
Not the horse and
Finished.
Ichabod.
That's true.
Well, who knows? They might eat the horse.
What? It's the headless horseman, you dork.
You said the baddest word.
Okay,
What's up, Jamal?
scroll down. Ready?
That is where we'll be.
You always need to scroll down to check if there's more work to be done. Okay. Okay, next page. Ready? Last page. Yay!
I'm done.
I got money.
So comments to yourself. Sophie, you as well. Okay, number 14. Ready? Baltus. It is said that on quiet evenings you can hear the ghost of Ichabod Crane whistling near the schoolhouse. This is an example of imagery. Which of the 5 senses is the author using? Look, smell, feel, taste, or sound?
Sound.
Sound. It is said that on quiet evenings you can hear the ghost of Ichabod Crane whistling near the schoolhouse. Sound, I would say one more.
Ichabod is now a ghost.
Ledger. That's not what we're talking about.
He was killed. Yes.
Sound and what else?
Look.
Look, thank you. Sound and look.
I feel
Because
like-
I can picture in my mind that he's standing near the schoolhouse.
Yeah. That would be scary.
Okay,
I
so
think
that's
that's
the last
better.
one. Sound and look.
Sound and look are like the most important senses.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, once you're done with that, go over to Google Classroom and then click Mark as done or turned in, and then you need to do your 3 to 4 units of Lexia for today.